is similar to question, just now that one was question 2. Okay, so you can write down this similar to question 2. Why? See, this is 2018, then question 2 was 2023, 5 years apart. But they do test again, like I told you. So in between, they didn't test similar concept, but 5 years later, they test it. Okay, now, 2 rectangular containers. The base area of A is 30. The base area of B is shown. So they didn't give you, but you can find out. A contained this amount of water while B was empty. So important here is that, okay, we're going to read the question first before we even start doing. You want to find height. You want to find height, there's only one way to find height. How? Volume divided by the base area. You get the height. Okay, so that means we need volume. Do we have? We have. Do we have the base area of container A? We also have. So can we find the height? Yes, that's why it's 1 mark. Okay, so if you can't do part B, you still can do part A because all the information is there. So to find height of A, okay, height of water level, I better write water level, not the height of A. Water level in A would be 780, okay, divide by 30 because the base area here is 30 square centimeters, and that will give me 26, right? Yeah, okay. 26 cm. So even if you cannot get the 3 marks, can you get 1 mark? Your job is to get as many marks as possible in paper 2 and paper 1. So if you think that, okay, I can't do part B, never mind, then at least don't give up. Part A is possible to get, then you should try to get as many marks as possible. Don't just because when you read the whole question, part B, so tough, then I give up this question. That is what happens when that's what I see in some students when you're doing mock paper, right? If the question is very tough, then you give up the whole question. Don't do that because some parts of the question is not difficult. Okay, next. Sam poured some water without spilling. Okay, why they tell you without spilling? Because they want you not to assume that water is being spilled out, so that the water will still be 780 cubic centimeters. Okay, into both containers. See, the height became the same. So this is again, because the height is the same, the concept here is equal height, different base area. So once you know it's equal height, different base area, your method will be to find either combined base area or find the ratio of the base area. That's it. So how much water did he pour into this tank? So number 1, okay, if you use method 1, you would find combined base area. What's the combined base area? You will take 30 plus 30 cm times 9 cm. The total you will get here is 300 square centimeters. Okay, 30 plus 270 is 300. Then after that, what will you do to find the height? The equal height will be the total volume, which is 780, right? Then after that, divide by the base area, the combined base area, it will give you 2.6 cm. Then, how much water did Sam pour into B? So now we know that the water level is 2.6. Can I find the volume of water? Yes. In B will be, okay, let me shift up a bit. In B will be 2.6 cm times 270 square centimeters, which is from here. The base area of, this is A, this is B, the base area. Okay, then after that, you will be able to find out that it is 702 cubic centimeters. So, this part here, okay, 702 cubic centimeters is the answer. So 3 marks. This is slightly easier than 2023 paper. Because why? They never give you the height difference. So you will know exactly, oh, height, same base area, different. Okay, I know what method to use already. But For question 2, for the 2023 paper, it's not so obvious. You have to remove that 5 cm first. So that's the difference between this question and that question. So if you're using ratio method, it still works the same way as what I went through just now. So I'm not going to go through the second method.